Nonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, part 2 of the podcast, the interview that Usne did on that podcast on YouTube. Certain things that she mentioned that I thought were quite interesting. I must say, you guys, now that I've watched both part 1 and part 2, I low-key feel like this was kind of like a mini reunion of Izingane Zestembu slash Utando Nestembu. That I feel like I needed. And that's why I have said the reason why Utando Nestembu and Izingane Zestembu doesn't have a reunion, you guys, is because uzophuma manga lapho. Like there's so many things that Usne said, hey, Usne wakhiphila my file, that I feel like this is really what we want to hear. We want to hear the truth about stuff and not, the stuff that you guys get to curate. But I guess that's not what they after. They're not after the truth as per se. They just after like giving us what we want, which is the drama, and that's about it. So we should, as Court Ranger, we're never gonna get a reunion from there. But I low-key feel like it was a reunion. There's something that Usne said, you guys, about Umangwabe. She said once she went to Umangwabe's house. When she got to Umangwabe's house, the lady osizayo endlini, the helper, basically said, "Aisne zenzele isinkwa and itiye, like make help yourself, make food for yourself." And then Sneh, as she was about to make bread, or as she was about to make something to eat for herself, she noticed that there was a roll and bread. And because she doesn't like bread, she decided to eat the roll. And there was one roll left. So Sneh ate the roll and the tea. Then apparently Mangwabe came home and Umangwabe made a big fuss that Haibo, who ate my roll? When she found out that Sne's the one who ate the roll, she went to an extent of even calling Umusam Selegu, her father, and Sne, and told Umusubuti, Sne ate her roll. Sne came into our house and ate iroli yakhe yomphago. So I don't know if maybe that roll was for her lunch. Maybe, she had already guaranteed ukuthi that roll was gonna be for her lunch. But she made a bigger deal out of a roll, you guys. Irolia 1 rand something. She made a big deal out of it. And Sneh was even saying that, Musa was, Umusamsele was even confused of why Umangwabe was making like such a big deal out of just a roll. And Sneh even told her father that, you see your wives, this is the reason why I'm never going to come to this household, because how do you say that I am, part of your household, or this is home for me, whereas if I just eat like a roll, or if I can just come back tomorrow and take a fruit, it's going to be like a whole big deal. But Ness said it was turned into a whole big deal. And I'm just like, your Mangwabe really like a roll. And some people, were saying, guys, if ukhulumela we know as black people, guys, we grew up in an era where like you don't talk for food. Even if your neighbor came in and asked for something and it was your last thing, you would rather like maybe lie and say you don't have it, but you don't complain for food, you guys. It's not us. And people were saying that if you still complain for food, or the fact that Umangwabe complains for food, like what type of household she comes from. Now, I don't know the context to like why Umangwabe would speak for a role, but all I know is that now that Usne said this on a podcast and everyone got to hear it, basically, Umangwabe is going to even not like Usne even the more. Because we all know Umangwabe has attitude. She shows children attitude. So now, Usne is still going to see the attitude ya Mangwabe. But I guess Usne wouldn't care about that, I guess. Sneh wouldn't mind that because it looks like they don't care. But Sneh said something that, you know what, people act for the camera. And now I'm even questioning when Umayeni said abanye abantu baya-acta ukuthi was she not referring to Umangwabe as one of them? I don't know. Something about, I love Umangwabe, you guys, but something about what is said, I don't know if it's a far-fetched thing. I really don't know. I don't know, guys. Tell me what you think. If you think Ugutusne, because as some people would say that there's two sides to a story. Do you feel like there's a two side to the story? I don't think Snare would lie. Maybe context. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think about it. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.